We are going on the Tam Coc boat tour today and we're so excited to show you.
When you come to Tam Coc, you have the option of doing multiple different boat tours. We plan to do all of them so we can show you our favorites, and this one is only a 2-minute walk away from our homestay, so we can't wait to show you. This is the reality of mass tourism. You can't go anywhere without swarms of people. Okay, it's way too busy. We did not beat the tour buses, so I think we're gonna go rent some bicycles and explore the rest of this beautiful mountainous town. You can rent bikes anywhere pretty much in the main city center of the town. These cost us 50,000 dong each, which is about $1 for the entire day. Okay, so we're just on this road in the middle of nowhere, just exploring. And we found this cool bridge in the middle of the forest, so we're gonna go over here and check out this swamp. This is so cool. So because we're in a jungle, the humidity here is 92%. It is super humid. You wake up in the morning and you're already wet. But it is so cool to be in the jungle like this.
Okay, one of the stops on our bicycle tour today is the Thien Ha Cave. You can also stop here on the boat tour if you did that.
GPS signal lost.
Okay, we're now on our way to Bich Pagoda. It's about an 11-minute bike ride through the beautiful rice fields here.
Okay guys, the last stop of our bike tour is this pagoda, which was built in the 1400s, and let's go check it out.
Okay, when you get to the pagoda, you go over this cool bridge which leads through this elaborate cave system, and you have to be dressed nicely and you have to be wearing a suit, the signs say. And you walk through this cool cave system and go up a bunch of steps, and then you get to the top and it looks like this.
To leave the pagoda, we just walked up a whole bunch of steps, walked down them, went through some caves, saw some cool stuff and a cool viewpoint, and now we're just gonna head back down. Okay, so last minute we decided to go on the boat tour.
Alright guys, we're about to go through our first cave on this boat tour. Here we go. Alright guys, we just got off the boat, and so all in, it was an amazing, incredible experience. We
Super
paid
fun. Beautiful views.
we paid 250,000 dong each to go on it, and then I have a really hard time saying no, so they took pictures of us when we were on it.
And we got pressured into buying a photo book with 7 photos of us.
The bartering started at 300,000, then we kept walking away, got it for 100, plus we tipped our boat guys, so we spent 650,000 dong, which was 35 Canadian dollars. So it was super fun, and that's the end of the episode today, so we'll see you in another one.